You've just updated to the latest version of After Effects. It's awesome. It's got all these cool features and... Wait, why is that video not working right? Where's the thingy? I'm in the middle of a project and it has stopped working! Hey, and welcome to Solving FX. While there are many arguments why the Adobe subscription model might not be the best, I remember the time before Adobe Creative Cloud, and trust me, it sucked. You'd save up, buy the latest version, and 3 months later the new version would come out with all the new features, and forums and tutorials would all be about, hey, check out what you can do if you can afford it. With Adobe CC, at least you always have the latest version of After Effects. But what happens if your current project stops working when you upgrade? That's why you're here, and I can help. A little. From the Creative Cloud desktop app, if you select Apps and click on the 3 dots menu for the After Effects row, you'll see an option for Other Versions. From this menu, you can select the version you know worked and choose Install. And as you can see from my screen, I can install back to version 22.0. Adobe employee Kevin on the forums stated Adobe supports up to 2 previous versions. Despite the looking for older versions view more link, that's as far back as you can go. There have been reports that Adobe support are able to install older versions for you, but evidence is thin that this is the case. Pro Design Tools keep updated links for direct downloads to the legitimate installers, and if you go a few pages back you can find links to all Creative Cloud 2019 versions. But these exist until Adobe removes the links, so the official support is the best place to start, I reckon. Also, let's not be too down on Adobe here. Maintaining legacy software is time consuming and comes with no financial incentive, so I do understand Adobe's stance here. And Adobe themselves recommend not upgrading in the middle of projects. At least they do for Premiere Pro. There used to be a similar warning for After Effects, but I couldn't find it in the help guides. In any event, if you are using After Effects regularly and cannot afford to be interrupted by a new version bug, then you should open the Creative Cloud desktop app and clicking on your profile, select Preferences. In the pop-up, switch to the Apps section and uncheck Auto Update. This will allow you to choose when to upgrade, preferably after that big project is complete and the client's check is in the bank.